Hi dear viewers and victorious creators of my channel. Today I'm participating in a challenge. This time it's put together by Denise Jordan from This and That with Denise Jordan. She has started recently but already has more than 500 subscribers, and she has managed to have a family, 3 kids, a garden that she takes care of. Now she's trying to help all her subscribers with giving a bunch of very useful tips and tricks how to take care of your family, how to do organization in your house, and all kinds of other important things. Please subscribe to her channel, check her playlist for other ladies who participate in this challenge. So she has asked us to put a tray in your kitchen or in your living room and to have a book and some type of floral. It may be either artificial or real, natural flower or plant. So let's go ahead and start. Don't forget to put your thumbs up in case you like this video. And when I cannot find a normal, nice looking tray for my challenge videos, I start using whatever I have, which means I start upcycling things like this one. This part is broken, so I couldn't make a tray from this one, but from the other one, which was okay in the bottom but not okay in the top, I started cutting the top into small pieces I'm going to throw away, and I have a very cute looking tray for my challenge video. Let's use the Rust-Oleum metallic spray paint. Oh yeah, okay. It's getting messy, so I'll take it outside. I just sprayed one coat. Let's see. And here is my DIY. This is the tray that I've spray painted just one time. It has one coat, so there are some parts that are not perfect, but I will cover it with this type of doily. Now it looks better, right? And let's put together something that will give us happiness during morning hours in case we decide to have some coffee or tea. I love my candies. Then I'm going to use this book, which says relaxation and stress reduction. I'm going to use this book, which I had for a long time and I didn't have a chance to read and go through. It's about house plants, flowering, and it has about 150 plants featured. And in case you wonder, I got this book from Bargain Books bookstore, and it cost me probably $1 or $2, but its original price was $9.95. So it has lots of information, useful description of all kinds of flowers, house plants, and lots of nice pictures. I'm also including this Farm Fresh notepad for writing down my grocery list. What do I need to buy? And as you said, we need to include also floral. I'm going to use my newly bought basil. And now my tray decoration is finished. I know some people don't like eating basil, but it smells great when you have it right in front of you in the morning. You feel like you're sitting in a garden. This is my sofa where I usually sit and read some books and write down some grocery shopping lists. So I decided to put my tray right in front of me on my coffee table and included a natural plant, which is my basil. And I put some water and it starts taking the water right from the glass. Although I didn't remove it from the original 99-cent store pot that it came in. As Denise asked us to have a mobile tray, that's why I left these two spots on each side to hold my tray and move it around. Dear viewers, hope you like my tray and the items that I have put on it, and hope you can also start thinking outside of the box, which means think DIYing. That's my purpose. When I opened this channel, I was thinking about sharing my ideas on how to organize, but because I'm naturally not an organized person, so I'm trying to do DIYs, and I guess people like my DIYs better. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to my channel if this is your first visit, and don't forget to put your thumbs up in case you like it, and come back for more. I do DIYs, I do haul videos, cooking and baking recipes. Sometimes I share the places that I visit, which means I like also doing vlogs. And don't forget to check Denise Jordan's channel, put likes and write your comments. Thanks for staying with me till this moment, and see you in my next video. Bye bye.